Welcome to our today's meditation for all the beginners out there. Simply sitting with your back straight and eyes closed. Take a conscious deep breath in and exhale softly from your mouth, making the ha sound. Inhale and very gently exhale. As you exhale, imagine you're releasing all the tension, the stiffness, the worries with your exhalation. Now, as you inhale, bringing the awareness, the attention on the middle of your eyebrows, and watch this empty space called Chidakasha. This mental screen is where we create with the divine energy. As you observe this blank space, congratulations, you have entered into the first stage of meditation. Whenever you're ready, bring a smile on your face and gently open your eyes. Thank you.